Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Zakia and welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. In my kitchen today, we are going to be making chicken donuts. Yummy and delicious. So, stay tuned. Who says donuts have to be sweet? Chicken donuts are a perfect savory that is so quick and easy to make. And I'm going to show you how you can also freeze these so that you can make this whenever required as a quick meal option, as a Ramadan savory, and also to fill your lunchboxes and your kids' lunchboxes. If you've never tried chicken donuts before, prepare to have your mind blown away because these are just mouth-watering. There are many ways to make chicken donuts, but I'm going to show you my way of making these. So make sure you've subscribed and let's get started. So for this particular dish, the first thing we're going to do is to boil about 3 medium-sized potatoes until they are nice and soft. To my food processor, I've added in 500 grams of chicken mince. And then to this, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander and half an onion that I sliced. To this, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and then just pulse this all together until everything is properly incorporated. And you can see the color of this looks absolutely stunning at the moment. Now I'm just going to add in 2 slices of bread, and I'm using white bread, but I'm breaking it into smaller pieces just so that it's able to process better. Now I'm going to process this for about a minute. And you can see how nicely the bread and the other ingredients have mixed properly. So at this stage, you can also add in 1 green chili, but I'm not a fan of green chilies, so I'm going to leave it out. And this actually smells so delicious right now. Now I'm going to add the boiled potatoes that we made earlier to the food processor and then pulse this again. Empty the contents of the processor into the bowl. And look at that beautiful color that it has already. To this mixture, I'm going to add in 1 cup of cheese. And I'm using Gouda cheese, but you can use whatever you have available. A mix of mozzarella, cheddar, Gouda, that's also fine, but 1 cup of the cheese. And I'm just going to mix all of that together. Once I've done that, I'm going to place this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to cool and to get more firm. So while the chicken is in the fridge, I'm going to do a mixture with eggs. So I'm going to take 2 eggs. And then to this, I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. And then just beat this together. This actually adds more spiciness into the chicken donuts. So these are a few things we're going to need before shaping our chicken donuts. I've got a little oil in this bowl to place onto my hand so that it makes shaping easier. Then I've got a round cutter like so to shape the donuts or the chicken donuts. I've got a work surface just to place the donuts when done. Some flour. I've got my egg mixture and my breadcrumbs. So now what I'm going to do, I've just removed my chicken from the fridge and I'm going to place some oil onto my hands, rub them onto my hands, and then take a small piece or a small portion of the chicken mix, roll it into a ball, then flatten it out a bit, so shape them nicely. And I'm making them about 1 centimeter thick. And then I'm going to dip this into the flour. And make sure that it's properly coated. This is what it will look like. And once you've coated it into the flour, we're going to take our cutter and then just make the shape of the donut in the center. This is a quite tricky part because everything becomes so soft and soggy. And then obviously whatever you get from the cutter, you can place it back into the mixture. And this I'm going to take now and just dip it into my egg mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. And then when you remove it, that's your chicken donut that you're going to get. Doesn't that look cute? And then repeat the process until you have all your chicken donuts on the board. So these are the chicken donuts. And I've got about 11 from these. They are about, say, 6 centimeters in size. And now it's time to fry these. At this stage, you can easily freeze these chicken donuts, and whenever you require them, remove them from the freezer, thaw, and fry them. So this is about 2 cups of oil that I've heated for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to place our chicken donuts into this. So let's do 3 at a time and let's see how these fry. These shouldn't take too long to fry, about 3 minutes on either side, and then you should remove them. And once you've done frying them, you're going to remove them from the oil and place them over a paper towel, a kitchen towel, so that most of the oil is absorbed into the kitchen towel. And don't they look amazing already? And let me show you what they look like on the inside. And you can see the chicken, the cheese, the mashed potato. It's actually crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Perfect savory. To plate this, I've just added in some chili sauce in the center of the platter. Then I've just placed the chicken donuts around the sauce. And I'm just going to add in some parsley for some decor. And there you have it, your chicken donuts all done, ready to eat. I hope you've enjoyed making this with me and will try it at home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.